up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. Your boy's out here on a little solo ride today. I'm headed up to this location up here where I wanted to get some videos of the bike, photos of the bike, maybe shoot some reels. I've been slacking on the Instagram page. Wanted to come up here and get some content, also show off the new livery. So this is going to kind of be a behind the scenes, because what I'm going to try to do when I get up here is shoot like a livery reveal video. Just kind of piecing it together to kind of make it look like a race bike. It's pretty cool. There's a couple pieces on there that I know are going to be potentially controversial, so we'll see how the great people of the internet react to that. Yeah, this area up here, this is like my favorite area of Dallas to hang out in. We come up here for a lot of the bikes and coffee meets. Alright, so I'm going to get up to the top of this parking garage. Damn little 350Z, got some kind of body kit on it, all tricked out. Okay. Here we go, top level. Let's see, where would be a good place to get some photos and videos? Probably right over here, yeah. Alright, so we made it up to the top of the parking garage. This is a good spot to shoot some photos of the bike. Gonna get some reels up here. I'm going to see what I can do with maybe just the GoPro on my phone. Get a bunch of B-roll of the bike with the, I guess you'd call it a livery, the new livery that I put on it. And kind of make like a livery reveal video for YouTube. Like I said, there's gonna be some things on here that are controversial to people. People that are fans of MV and know like the MV bikes and stuff like that, they'll know that the AMG, I guess there was like a partnership between the two brands at one point. So some of the RC models and some of the different race bikes that they had in the past had the AMG logos on it. Obviously we're rocking the Brembo brakes, Motul, Pirelli tires. I started rocking Tai Chi gear, so I wanted to rock the Tai Chi on there. And then of course the Ducati course sticker on there is going to really trigger some people on the internet, but I went ahead and threw that on there. I think that's a funny one. Like I said, potentially controversial. We'll see how polarizing it really is when I post up the videos on there. Anyways, I'm going to take my helmet off real quick. I'll give you guys a quick walk around the bike. But that's it. I'll go ahead and shut my GoPro down, get the phone out, shoot some reels and stuff. Alright guys, so hopefully this is recording. That's it for the photo shoot. I actually must have got lucky because there was some dude up there working on like the elevator on the top floor, and he said that normally that's closed, so when he was finished up he asked me if I'd come down because he had to lock up the top level of the parking garage. So I got a ton of videos up there though, looking super sick. It was a great spot. It's a beautiful day out. Again, here's the livery. If you guys haven't seen it, obviously I'm gonna do like a livery unveil video. That'll be on the channel first, so if you haven't already seen that one, go check that out. That's not going to be like a moto vlog or anything like that. Just a bunch of cool B-roll with pictures and stuff of the bike, videos of the bike, just kind of showing off the livery and stuff that I've been working on. The Ducati Course MV, the Duke Agusta Panigale F3. Anyways, hopefully you guys can see. I got the ND filter on here. It's a little dark in the parking garage right now, but we're going to hop back on the bike and roll out. Here, fire this baby up so you guys can hear the exhaust while I gear up. I love this freaking bike. I don't think I've talked about it yet, but me and all the homies are actually rolling down to Austin to go to the MotoGP races. So Thursday of this week, we're actually loading the bikes up on a trailer. Me, Brandon, and Max, so the two hyper motards that you always see me rolling with. We're gonna go roll down to Austin, take the bikes, go to a bunch of bike meets down there, have fun with all the MotoGP madness that's gonna ensue. It's gonna be a fantastic time. I'm super excited. Watch out for some of these speed bumps. Bike sounds ridiculous in the parking garage. Absolutely ridiculous. Eventually I need to find somebody to shoot some rollers of me on the bike. Maybe just like a full-length, full-feature video would be very cool. Anyways, to talk about the livery a little bit, or at least kind of what inspired me, is like RWB, TRA Kyoto, they make the Rocket Bunny kits, Liberty Walk, those kind of like rebellious Japanese cartooners. They're always doing things that are kind of like unconventional, controversial, polarizing. Kind of wanted to make the bike and design my livery in kind of that regard. That's why I went ahead and put the Ducati course stickers on there, as well as some of the other stuff. You know, the Lucky Strike used to be a big sponsor of MotoGP as well as Formula One and some other racing, now that, you know, tobacco companies aren't allowed to advertise, so you don't see those race liveries anymore. It's just kind of cool, kind of old school. This bike has kind of an old school vibe, also with, you know, of course, all the modern technology and stuff though, but the design's been around forever.